Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up WordPress SEO with Yoast SEO easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up WordPress SEO with Yoast SEO, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the plugins section on the left menu. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO and press Enter. Locate the Yoast SEO plugin from the search results. Click the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activation, find SEO in the left menu of your dashboard. Click on General under the SEO menu. You will see multiple tabs: Dashboard, Features, and Webmaster Tools. In the Features tab, ensure that the key features you need are enabled. These often include the SEO analysis, readability analysis, and cornerstone content. Next, go to the Search Appearance tab. Here, you can configure how your site appears in search engines. Review the general, content types, media, and taxonomy sections. Set the desired visibility for posts, pages, and other content types. Move on to the Social tab. Connect your social media profiles to enhance your online presence. Next, click on the Tools section in the SEO menu. Here, you can manage your site through the import and export options. Now, let's optimize individual posts. Go to Posts in the left menu and select a post to edit. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box. Enter your focus keyword for the post. Check the SEO analysis for suggestions to improve optimization. Adjust your title and meta description to include the focus keyword. Review the readability analysis to ensure your content is easily digestible. Once you have made the necessary adjustments, save your changes. Continue this process for each post or page to enhance overall SEO. Finally, consider using the XML sitemaps feature under the SEO menu. Activate it to help search engines index your site more effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.